Here's how to block apps on your iPhone, whether it's for yourself, your kids, or just to stay focused. Step 1. Open Settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. At the top, tap on the search bar and type Screen Time. Now tap to open it. Step 2. Set Screen Time passcode. Scroll down and tap Lock Screen Time Settings. This lets you create a passcode so no one can change these settings. Enter a 4-digit passcode, for example 1111. You can link it to your Apple ID for recovery, or skip that step. Step 3. Enable restrictions. Now go back and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn this on. Enter your passcode again. Step 4. Block built-in apps. Tap Allowed Apps and Features. Here, you can simply toggle off any default apps you want to block. Important note, this only works for built-in apps, not third-party apps. Step 5. Block app installation. To stop installing new apps, go back and tap iTunes and App Store purchases, installing apps, set it to Don't Allow. Now, no one can install new apps without the passcode. Step 6. Remove existing apps. If an app is already installed, press and hold the app, tap Remove App, then Delete App. Since installs are blocked, they won't be able to reinstall it. And that's it. Now you know how to fully control and block apps on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple iPhone tips.